In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Toggle Device Toolbar in Google Chrome Mobile View. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This feature is built into Chrome Developer Tools, and it lets you preview how a website will look and behave on different mobile screens without needing a physical phone. Next, navigate to the website you want to test. Wait for the page to fully load so the layout and images appear correctly. This will make your mobile preview more accurate. Once you are on the page, right-click anywhere on an empty area of the website. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Inspect. This opens the Inspect panel, also known as DevTools, usually on the right side or the bottom of your browser window. You will see a lot of information here, but you do not need to change any code to use Mobile View. Now, look toward the top left area of the Inspect panel. Locate the Toggle Device Toolbar icon. It looks like a small phone and a tablet side by side. Click that icon to enter Mobile View. As soon as you click it, the web page will switch into a responsive preview, and a toolbar will appear above the page area. In that toolbar, click the Dimensions drop-down at the top of the web page area. This menu lets you choose a preset device size. Select a specific device from the list, such as an iPhone model or a Pixel model, to simulate its screen resolution and layout. This helps you check spacing, navigation menus, and how text wraps on smaller screens. Next to Dimensions, click the Percentage drop-down. This controls the zoom level of the preview. If the page looks too small to read, increase the percentage. If it is too large to fit on your screen, lower the percentage. This zoom does not change the simulated device size, it only changes how large it appears on your monitor. Finally, click the rotate icon at the top right of the page area to switch between portrait and landscape orientation. This is useful for checking whether elements resize properly when the screen orientation changes. That covers everything you need to know.